జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 138th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం కృతాకృతాయ నమః. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, I realize that you are the one who bestows fruits to us, which is related to this materialistic world, and you are the one who releases all of us from the shackles of this samsara and bestows the permanent and supreme abode of Sri Vaikuntham. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Krutakrutaya Namaha. Om Krutakrutaya Namaha. Visualizing Srimannarayana within our own heart, and with a realization that He is the one who can give all the fruits that we need for the travel through this body, and the important fruit, that is moksham, both of them can be bestowed by Srimannarayana. He is there within our own heart. While realizing all this, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Kausalya Mata now tells Rama that, "O Rama, in the past, all the great soldiers, they took care of their mothers only with the compassion, only with the blessings of their mothers. All of them attained the divine abodes. O Rama, how much ever you respect your father, so also I gain the same respect. So with that power, with that authority, now I am telling you that, I am ordering you that not to go to forest at all. I am not going to permit you to go to forest. O Rama, even after seeing me crying so much, if you still decide to go to forest, I am going to commit suicide. Rama, do you want to kill your mother like this?" Like this, Kausalya Mata telling so many things and mentioning so many things to Rama while crying so much. Then Rama is now tells Kausalya Mata, "Oh Amma Kausalya Mata, I have no power, I have no desire to transgress my father's orders. Please allow me to go to forest. I do Sashtanga Namaskaram to you. Prasadaye tvam sirasa gantum ichhami aham vanam." "Oh Mata, please allow me to go to forest. I can tell you, I can show you, I can give you the evidence from all of our ancestors. There are so many great soldiers. Every one of them followed their father's orders. Oh Mata, There used to be great King Sagara. You know that his sons, 60,000 sons, all of them faced terrible death only in the process of obeying their father's orders. Mata, Kausalya Mata, you know Parasurama, Bhargavarama, in the process of obeying his father's orders, Parasurama decapitated his mother in the forest. Parasurama cut the head of his own mother Renuka just in the process of obeying his own father's orders. Oh Mata, until now, in entire of my dynasty, everybody followed their father's words, their father's orders. Amma, Mata, I am not introducing any new system to you. All that whatever our ancestors have followed, I am just presenting to you, and I am willing to do the same. I can tell you with all of my confidence that in the past nobody has fell off from the path of righteousness after obeying orders of their fathers. To that extent, obeying orders of father is very important. Oh Mata, please let me also do the same. Piturhi vachanam kurvan nakaschit namahiyate. Nobody got destroyed after following their father's orders. Like this, Rama tells so many things to Kausalya Mata, and then he is also addressing Lakshmana, who is standing right next to him. Oh Lakshmana, Tava Lakshmana, Janami, Mama Sneham Anuttamam. Lakshmana, I know, I realize that how much you love me. I realize how much you like me. I realize how much you craves my association with you. Also, I realize how much you are powerful. Oh Lakshmana, there is no greater satisfaction than following righteousness. There is no greater satisfaction than desiring for peace of mind. By doing nothing, we can get that much of satisfaction. Oh Lakshmana, that is what I am now willing to do. Like this, Ramachandra Swami, while telling Lakshmana, he is emphasizing upon how much great satisfaction we would get after following righteousness. Like this, what are the greatest words that Ramachandra Swami is going to disclose about righteousness? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 15th sloka. Lokadhyakshah Suradhyaksho Dharmadhyakshah Krutah चतुरात्मा चतुर्व्यूहः चतुर्दंष्ट्रः चतुर्भुजः। ఓం సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. ఓం కృతాకృతాయ నమః. ఓం కృతాకృతాయ నమః. ఓం కృతాకృతాయ నమః.